Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Rodney in Virginia, RCI 69 base. Rodney, got it ready to go for you, bud. We've got two ERF2030 plus mosfets in the two final stages of the RF amp. And we've checked the alignment. Everything's great on it. We appreciate your extreme patience. Did your your ultra bright LEDs and the voltage regulator. We had to replace that as well. Okay, let's just get right to it. 50 watt slug. We're reading the middle scale, about 1.5 watts all the way down. It's plenty low. Roll it up. 10 watts, plenty high. Show your average power swing. Hello. 40 bird average. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello. Sits right on 100 watts PEP. Go to sideband, we're going to see a little bit less on sideband. Hello. 80 on sideband. Alright, Rodney's ready to come back to you, bud. I appreciate it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.